Good afternoon, good morning, viewers, and welcome to another episode of Unboxify. So let me get right into it. This morning I have the MICRODIA charging station FOLIO, a 23 watt 3-in-1 portable foldable dual coil wireless charging station. True to form, nice mouthful of a name. This is a desktop or bedside table foldable charging station. It looks really cool, and right off the bat the packaging is really good quality, as we've come to expect from MICRODIA. So this is 3-in-1 23 watt CHI certified with dual coil charging, and there you can see on the packaging it does fold into quite a small size here. Travel friendly, powered by smart AI. Let's take a look here. So it says unique, compact and professional design for professional travelers who require a compact yet powerful charging station while traveling. 16 millimeters thick when folded. That's very cool. That's nice and small, and it is a WPC QI version 1.2, and can charge a mobile phone, a watch, and AirPods. Yeah, that seems very handy. PU leather, and the dimensions 136 by 123 by 16 millimeters. So it really does have quite a small frame. Yeah, so I want to get right into it and take a look what's actually inside the box. But as usual, nice packaging, looks good to hold, and it's got that quality, sturdy feel to it, which I really like. You can often tell just by holding something in your hands what the quality is going to be like. But less assumptions and more fact, let's take a look. There we go. That little pull tab came out quite easily, and oh, there it comes. Okay, so we've got the device, we have a user manual. Oh, there's something else. Oh, cool. All right, so your USB-C to C cable, let's get that out there. All right, and that seems to be your standard 1 meter. It's quite nice and thick, so I bet it does a good job of transferring power. And here we have the user manual, nicely printed. I've seen this before, and thank you for choosing MICRODIA. They're always so very polite, and I really like that in a product. So I'm not going to spend too much time looking at this. If I spend all day reading, well, that's all we'd come here to do. Hey, okay, so one cool thing here, there is a QR code, and that, as far as I can tell, is to get your warranty signed up, and for user support and that sort of thing. So yeah, it's very customer centric. They've got the end user in mind, which I like. All right, let's get straight into it. Let's see. Plastic bag off. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Feels really good in the hand. It's got a lovely textured leather on the outside, or PU leather as they say. You can see the dual coil charging on the front actually embossed into the leather. There you have the name, the brand name, the product name, 23 watt 3-in-1 foldable wireless charging pad, embossed right into the material. It looks really great. What lovely quality we have here. And then this aluminium or steel tab, MICRODIA. And let's see, how does it go? All right, we fold it up, we fold it down. Oh, that's cool. That's so intuitive and fun to do. Let me do it again. Huh? Oh, that's cool. See how little it is? Really, just, you'd never expect all of this in one tiny little device. Take a look at that. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And done. Fantastic. Would you look at that? Let's take a look what else we've got here. Okay, so there's the USB-C cable. I already have a MICRODIA 35 watt gallium nitride wall charger plugged into my power brick. It'll be off camera. But and then on the side there, very nicely tucked away, still visible, easy to find, yet not protruding or in your face, which is really quite cool. I mean, it could be just a little leather device sitting on your fold out tray in the airplane. Super sleek, super executive. I like it a lot. Okay, so there I've got the cable, and that's nice quality, and I plugged it in there. Well, okay, that went in quite easy. Nice snug fit. That's not going to pop out on its own. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug the other end into my power outlet. Okay, isn't that cool? All right, so there's no status light or anything, but I'm going to go right ahead and I'm going to take my iPhone, if I can find it. There it is. And I'm going to stick it here. So I'm saying here, dual coil charging. The phone will go right there. Oh, and there we go, charging. That took half a second and it's on. Here I've got the old trusty Apple Watch, and I'm assuming that's a little watch there, a little picture of a watch embossed into the... Oh, and that's MagSafe. That holds your watch right there, sturdy. That's not going anywhere. And instantly it's charging. And then this is something that I find quite interesting. The 3-in-1 part comes in. So I've got a pair of Sony earpods here, and they can be charged wirelessly. And so you just slide it right in there. Let's see. Hey, there we go. And that's an orange charging light. So I've got my iPhone, my Apple Watch, as well as a pair of wireless charging earbuds, and they're all charging simultaneously. I mean, just imagine this is in front of you in your business class suite, you know, as you're flying to Singapore or Dubai or wherever you might be going on business or on holiday, and this just looks super cool. So besides being very handy and useful and practical, it also looks really stylish and cool. I mean, that's a nice thing. Aesthetics mean a lot. Yeah, and even then you get to your hotel room after a long busy day of meetings and so on, and then imagine having this next to your bed. And the best part is you just turn it to face you. There's your Apple Watch telling you your time. You get a notification on your phone. Bam, bam, you can see it all. Nothing has to move, nothing has to stop charging. And really, this is one of the coolest, most innovative products I've seen in a long time. Yeah, guys, so if you like this, please would you like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends. And of course, if you want one of these, get in touch with MICRODIA. I will leave the link down below. And I like this very much. I am going to use it continuously from this moment forward. And I think if you had to get hold of one, you'd probably do the same too. All right, chaps, thanks very much for watching today. I will see you later.